concept of prehistoric giants refers to the large species that roamed the Earth during various periods of the planet's history, such as the dinosaurs of the Mesozoic era and the megafauna of the Pleistocene epoch. These creatures were immense in size, ranging from the towering dinosaurs like the Tyrannosaurs and Argentinosaurus to the colossal mammals of the Ice Age, such as the woolly mammoth and the giant ground sloth. The study of these colossal beings is significant as it provides insights into the Earth's evolutionary history, shedding light on how life has adapted and evolved in response to changing environmental conditions. Exploring prehistoric giants is crucial because it helps us understand biodiversity, ecological interactions, and the factors driving extinction events. For instance, the extinction of mammals like the woolly mammoth and the saber-toothed tiger has been linked to climate change and overhunting by humans, offering a cautionary tale for the current challenges in biodiversity conservation and climate change. Similarly, learning about how the dinosaurs thrived and vanished provides context for Earth's resilience and the pivotal role of catastrophic events, such as asteroid impacts, in shaping life on our planet. The subject of prehistoric giants captivates the imagination and has been a rich field for scientific discovery, from uncovering nearly complete dinosaur skeletons in places like the Gobi Desert to studying frozen remains of mammoths preserved in Siberian permafrost. These findings not only serve as historical and educational treasures, but also stimulate advancements in science and technology, such as de-extinction efforts that aim to bring back species through genetic engineering. However, the study of prehistoric giants isn't without challenges or controversies. There is ongoing debate about the exact causes of their extinction, with theories ranging from catastrophic environmental changes to human-induced pressures. These differing viewpoints highlight the complex interdependence between species and their habitats, and the difficulty of determining singular causes for mass extinction events. Additionally, the ethics and feasibility of resurrecting extinct species through cloning and other technologies are hotly debated topics. This introduction to prehistoric giants sets the foundation for understanding the broader mystery of their disappearance. It interlinks with other aspects, such as examining past extinction causes and current environmental challenges, providing a comprehensive understanding of how past events influence present-day behaviors and future possibilities in preserving and understanding the natural world. Understanding extinction events in prehistory involves examining the various factors and phenomena that led to the disappearance of large prehistoric creatures, often referred to as megafauna. Extinction events are significant episodes where a considerable number of species become extinct within a relatively short time frame. These occurrences are crucial to understanding the broader topic of why do prehistoric giants mysteriously disappear, because they provide insights into the natural and perhaps anthropogenic factors that contributed to the vanishing of these colossal beings. The significance of understanding these events lies in unraveling the complex interplay between ecological changes, climate shifts, natural disasters, and possibly human influences. These factors have shaped the biodiversity and evolutionary pathways on our planet. By studying the details of prehistoric extinction events, scientists can better comprehend the vulnerabilities of ecosystems, allowing them to draw parallels with contemporary biodiversity challenges. Two notable examples of prehistoric extinction events include the KT extinction event and the late Quaternary extinction. The KT event, which occurred around 66 million years ago, famously led to the demise of the dinosaurs. This event is primarily attributed to the impact of a massive asteroid and subsequent volcanic activity, which triggered drastic climate changes and habitat disruptions. On the other hand, the late Quaternary extinction, occurring around 11,000 years ago, saw the disappearance of various megafauna like mammoths and saber-toothed cats. This event is often linked to a combination of human hunting practices and climate changes at the end of the last ice age. Supporters of the idea that understanding these events is crucial argue that by examining past extinctions, humanity can better equip itself to prevent future crises and understand the ecological impact of human activities. However, there are challenges and controversies, particularly regarding the extent to which human actions contributed to these prehistoric extinctions. Some argue that humans played a lesser role, with climate change being the primary driver. This debate underscores the complexities in pinpointing exact causes and illustrates the intricate interconnectedness of natural systems. Ultimately, investigating extinction events in prehistory enhances our understanding of how various factors can converge to influence the survival of species. It connects deeply to the broader discourse on human impact and environmental stewardship, emphasizing the importance of learning from the past to safeguard the future. As such, this investigation influences conservation efforts, guiding policy and action to prevent modern-day extinctions, thereby ensuring the persistence of global biodiversity. The disappearance of prehistoric giants, such as the woolly mammoth and the giant ground sloth, has long intrigued scientists and historians alike. One of the crucial factors attributed to their mysterious disappearance is climate change. Climate change refers to significant and lasting alterations in global or regional weather patterns. The most relevant changes for the prehistoric era often include shifts in temperature, precipitation, and seasonal cycles, leading to habitat alterations that could not be quickly adapted to by megafauna. Understanding the role of climate change in the extinction of these giants is essential, as it illustrates the profound impact environmental shifts can have on biodiversity. During periods like the end of the last ice age, the Earth experienced warming trends that led to the melting of ice sheets, rising sea levels, and significant shifts in ecosystems. These changes transformed the available habitats and food sources that prehistoric giants relied upon, making survival increasingly challenging. One illustrative example is the woolly mammoth, which thrived in the cold, vast expanses of the mammoth steppe. As the planet warmed and humans began encroaching on their territory, these habitats transformed into forests and wetlands unsuitable for the mammoth's lifestyle. Similarly, the saber-toothed cat, reliant on large herbivorous prey, found its food sources dwindling as climate change decimated herbivore populations by reducing their habitat and food availability. Many scientists support the climate change theory, arguing that the rapid environmental changes outpaced the giants' ability to adapt. They suggest that, while human hunting did contribute to the decline of these species, the primary driver was environmental disturbance. However, this idea is not without controversy. Some researchers point to evidence suggesting these species had survived previous climatic shifts and might have persisted if not for human pressures. Alternative viewpoints propose that overhunting by technologically adept humans played a more significant role than changing climate conditions. The importance of climate change in this context connects deeply with understanding contemporary biodiversity crises. It highlights the delicate balance ecosystems maintain and how minor changes can lead to massive repercussions. Acknowledging the prehistoric precedents, today's world can learn vital lessons about the immediate need for conservation efforts and strategies to mitigate current climate change impacts. Thus, examining the climate's role in past extinctions not only sheds light on history, but also informs present and future environmental policies, bridging the gap between past events and ongoing ecological challenges. The impact of human activity and migration is a concept centered on the effects that humans have had on the extinction or decline of prehistoric giant species. As humans began to migrate across different continents, their presence and activities significantly influenced local ecosystems and the survival of large prehistoric animals. Human activities such as hunting, habitat modification, and the introduction of new species and agriculture greatly contributed to the pressures faced by these giants, ultimately leading to their mysterious disappearance. This point is crucial to understanding why prehistoric giants vanished, because it underscores the role humanity has played in altering natural environments. The impact of humans on the environment is not a recent phenomenon. It dates back tens of thousands of years. Recognizing this link is significant as it highlights a long-standing interaction between humans and their environments, revealing patterns relevant to current conservation challenges. A pertinent example is the extinction of the large megafauna in North America, such as the woolly mammoth and mastodon, which coincided with the arrival of the Clovis culture. Archaeological evidence suggests extensive hunting practices and potentially indirect impacts via habitat changes. Similarly, in Australia, the disappearance of the giant genus Diprotodon occurred after the arrival of Aboriginal Australians. The continent experienced significant ecological changes through practices like controlled burning. which altered landscapes and affected giant mammals' survival. Supporters of this idea emphasize that human-induced extinction, even in prehistoric contexts, illustrates the profound and sometimes irreversible impacts humans have on nature. This understanding pushes the agenda for sustainable practices today, urging society to mitigate similar effects on modern species. However, there are controversies and alternative viewpoints concerning the extent to which human activity versus climatic changes contributed to the extinction of these giants. Some scholars argue that climate changes played a far more significant role. For instance, shifting climates at the end of the Pleistocene may have caused habitat loss and food scarcity, exacerbating the struggle for survival faced by large prehistoric animals independently of humans. This intersection of human influence and environmental change is intertwined with broader topics of ecological balance and conservation priorities. It connects to our contemporary challenges by illustrating early human impacts and reinforcing lessons about the need for responsible stewardship of natural resources. Understanding these historical interactions helps inform current efforts to prevent species extinction amidst ongoing habitat destruction and climate change.